Snapchat, one of the most popular apps around the globe. People love to take selfies. Now with Snapchat filters, taking selfies increased drastically. Now you can make it even more interesting by using your creativity, one of which is using multiple filters at once. Here you can see different multiple filters available in Snapchat. What is up guys, today we are going to see how to use multiple filters in a single snap. I'm going to tell you 2 tricks of using multiple filters. Let's start with the first one now. Before we start, I do request you to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, here we have taken a picture of this helicopter and we're going to use our different filters, multiple filters. So here you can see different filters available. While you swipe, you can get colored filters as well as text filters like this. So now let's see how to use the text filter and the color filter all together at once in the snap. So all you have to do is just choose a filter first and hold your one finger so the filter will stay on the snap, and then use your other finger to swipe and choose a different filter. So in this way you can use multiple filters at once. Once you have selected a desired filter, you can choose to send. Here we have used a black and white filter as well as the textured filter, and click send. You can send it directly to your friends. That's all you have to do in this. So that's all with the first trick. Now let's see the second trick. Let's take a picture first. Okay, here we are with the picture. So in this we're going to use 2 color filters together in a single snap to achieve a different color. Like this, you can just hold your finger when you have 2 colored filters on the screen and click the send button without leaving the other finger from the screen, and choose your friends list and select to send the snap. That's all you have to do with the second trick. So that's all. Now let's check on the receiver's phone how they're going to receive the filters. So here we are, the 2 snaps have been received here. So let's check the first filter. So here you can see a black and white filter along with the blue textured filter, and here you can see the second filter, the blue tint and the black and white filter have merged together to give a different look. By this way you can achieve different multiple filters. Anyways, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and do consider subscribing to my channel to get the latest tips and tricks. I'm gonna post another Snapchat trick soon, so subscribe and stay updated. Thanks for watching. See you next time.